just love the holidays. And I love myself with all these different decorations, especially Christmas ornaments, Christmas trees, Christmas lights. It's so magical this time of year. Wrapping paper, and I'm gonna tell you something what you could also use for your decorations to be completed for your theme, basically. These Solawood flowers. Solawood flowers, you can basically, I don't know, you can add them in between your Christmas trees. Like say you want to have a little custom flower here, or you can add them like, you have all these gaps in between your trees. You can add them like right about to here in between your ornaments and so on. So a tree can be basically magical. Basically, is that the important part of the holidays? Of these holidays, these Christmas is magical. Besides the birth of the Savior, and most important part is the magic of the season. And with Solawood Flowers, will bring you the magic of the season. Check them out at www.solawoodflowers.com.